Hi everyone, this is Karthik. In this video, let us learn the subject Visual Programming. Here, I given the syllabus of first unit. In this first part, we will learn about Introduction to Visual Programming Language. Here, we are going to learn what is Visual Basic, history of Visual Basic, different editions of Visual Basic, advantages of Visual Basic, and disadvantages of Visual Basic. First, we move on to what is Visual Basic. Visual Basic is an event-driven programming language. As the name suggests, it uses events as the basis for developing the software. These events can be something the users are doing, clicking on a specific button, picking an option from drop-down list, typing text into a field, giving voice commands, or uploading a video, etc. Visual Basic is an integrated development environment. IDE used in the programming world to describe the interface and the environment that we use to create our applications. The IDE is also referred to as design environment or the program. Graphical user interface. A graphical user interface is which users interact with the computer via visual indicator representations. It consists of one or more forms that contain text boxes, labels, buttons, picture boxes, etc. Drag and drop objects. The drag and drop is the action of clicking on an object and dragging it to a different location as required. An example of a simple drag and drop sequence is given here. This figure contains two columns. First column contains animal names and the second column contains small boxes where user needs to drop the relevant images. The figure 2 gives after the images being dragged and dropped to the correct places. Therefore, the definition is Visual Basic is an application software used to develop window-based applications. Visual Basic is an event-driven programming language and integrated development environment created by Microsoft that provides a graphical user interface which allows programmers to modify code by simply dragging and dropping objects and defining their behavior and appearance. Next, history of Visual Basic. Visual Basic was developed by Alan Cooper in 1988 and he sold to Microsoft. Visual Basic is derived from Basic Programming Language. Basic means beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code and it is considered useful and easy programming language for the beginners learn. First, the version Visual Basic 1.0 was released in 1991 May. The version 2.0 was released in November 1992. The version 3.0 was released in June 1993. The version 4.0 was released in August 1995. The version 5.0 was released in February 1997. Visual Basic 6.0 was released in October 1998. After Visual Basic 6.0, Microsoft moved Visual Basic to the .NET framework. From then on, Visual Basic was known as Visual Basic .NET. The first version Visual Basic .NET was in 2002. It is called VB 7.0. The latest version of Visual Basic .NET is VB 16.0, released in the year of 2019. Next, different editions of Visual Basic. There are three editions of Visual Basic. Standard or Learning Edition contains basic language features and tools required to build mainstream window-based applications. Professional Edition contains more advanced features such as tools to develop open database connectivity, ActiveX control, and client-server technology. Enterprise Edition contains enhancements of features of Professional Edition. These are Property Window, Project Explorer Window, Code View Window, Immediate Window, Design Window. Next, advantages of Visual Basic. Visual Basic applications are event-driven. Visual Basic supports the principles of object-oriented design. Visual Basic is a complete window application development system. Visual Basic uses ActiveX control and dynamically linked libraries. A programmer does not have to write code to create components. The visual components can be moved, resized and deleted easily. Next, disadvantages of Visual Basic. Visual programming environments are heavy and require more memory. Compared with C, C has a better declaration of arrays. It is possible to initialize an array of structures in C. This is impossible in Visual Basic. Visual Basic cannot handle pointers directly. This is a significant disadvantage since pointers are much necessary for programming. Visual Basic does not allow developing the multi-threaded applications. Visual programming can be implemented only on graphical operating system like Microsoft Windows. Let us revisit what we have learned so far. Definition of Visual Basic, history of Visual Basic, different editions of Visual Basic, advantages and disadvantages of Visual Basic. Hope you all are well familiar with Introduction to Visual Programming Language. Thank you for watching.